Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making veggie cheese toast. This tastes great because we add some vegetables and cheese to really enhance the texture and flavor. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 4 slices of bread, some salt as per your taste, some pepper as per your taste, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 small onion that has been finely chopped, 1 small bell pepper that is finely chopped, some chili flakes which are optional, but if you're using them, they're as per your taste, and some Italian seasoning as per your taste. The first thing you will do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will take a baking tray, add some foil on it, and spread some oil or butter so that the bread doesn't stick to it. Then you will place the bread slices on the tray. And then we will add on the onions, the bell pepper, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, the cheese, and the chili flakes. You want to add all of the ingredients in this order so that the toast doesn't get soggy. Then you will bake this for around 8 to 10 minutes. The cheese should be completely melted, and make sure to keep an eye on the toast so that it doesn't burn. After the cheese on the toast has almost completely melted, you will broil the toast in the oven for around 2 to 3 minutes. This is how the cheese toast should look after you have baked and broiled it. The broiling really helped in creating a crust over the cheese. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video.